bread, I guess. You know no water none of this. Yeah.
That's how you like it, though.
Yeah.
I see.
Like my place church, I'll come down some more.
Huh?
No, like it's this way. Good night.
Good evening, kings and queens.
Good evening.
Bless up yourself.
Wagwan. Wagwan, my people. Happy Monday. I know I'm not used to see we out there on Monday. But that's how we love sneaking by you guys. You understand? We love sneaking. Yeah. Can see what I'm up to.
So Wagwan.
Yeah guys, we couldn't make it on yesterday. We out and about.
So here we are.
So we're there tonight. We say we could come bless some of our wonderful kings and queens with some credits tonight, yeah? Wanna watch the Master Baker? Or tell me if you don't watch the Master Baker. Good night, Tanisha.
Good night, Tanisha.
Sandra.
Spencer.
Wagwan, blessings to you, Queen.
Audrey Burks.
Audrey. Wagwan, Audrey.
Nationa.
Henry Wagwan.
Susan
Pilgrim. Wagwan, Susan. Donnie
Gordon. Good evening.
Good evening, Donnie. And Thelma.
McCormick.
Yeah, Jennifer. Good evening. Wagwan. Y'all laugh. Well, Jennifer, we all laugh so far. We just come on. I don't know, like say a Master Baker sit down here. You just come on and I laugh.
Jennifer Forbes.
Jennifer. Novelette. Wagwan. Susan Pilgrim.
Marsha Lee.
Today's your birthday. Happy birthday, Susan.
Happy birthday, Susan.
I hope you had a fantastic birthday today.
Yes.
It's still your birthday. So I hope it's going good.
Yeah, man. Blessings to you.
Marsha Lee, you missed one last night. Sorry, darling. We think we'd make it back in time, but we never work out.
Margaret,
good night.
Arlene,
what you say? Charmaine.
Angela
Levy, Wagwan. Pinky K, good night. Giovanni, good night, Giovanni. Rose Kitchen. Big up yourself, Rose Kitchen.
Ever blessed Nikki. Luciano.
Yeah, Wagwan. Fazian, a long time I don't see you. Wagwan with you.
Carrie Ann,
good evening.
Donna Node,
good evening.
Master Baker, she says the best.
It's the best. You enjoy the Master Baker.
Audrey Biggs. Slamatic. Angela.
Audrey. Slamatic. Good night.
Marsha Brown.
Rose Entertainment. Big up yourself, Rose Entertainment. Wagwan.
Donna Douglas West.
Novelette. We say already.
Pauline.
Again, Pauline. K Manners.
Audrey
Shaw. Big up yourself, Audrey.
Maxine.
Right out there in Trinidad and Tobago. Maxine. Yes. If me miss nobody. Audra, babe.
First Lady.
Wagwan First Lady.
Tomorrow, happy early birthday, Gillette.
Happy early birthday, Gillette. Yes. Ardette, big up yourself now, Ardette, Cecile. And Cecile, yes. Lord, Patricia, big up yourself, Patricia. Faithia, big up on herself. Maxine, Maurice, Stewart.
Lakeisha.
And Lakeisha, Joan. Big up on herself.
Blessings to all on us. We miss you.
Sorry, charge it to we head and not we heart.
Right.
Yeah, if we miss you, charge it to we head, not we heart. Yeah.
Patricia Price.
A room full of queens. Full of queens tonight. Me see a couple kings, but a room full of queens.
Let's hear Master Baker make them laugh too.
So yes, guys, now we talk a little bit about Master Baker. Although me don't want to go in Master Baker, but we're going to talk a little bit about Master Baker before me give you some credits. Because now me hear so we are realtor.
We have a new.
Nobody never did tell we say we're a realtor.
We have a new career.
We have a new career. So we are a realtor. Yes, we are a realtor.
I just want them to know them just.
People just make up things.
Make up things as I'm going.
So we are a realtor, people. And we here say we are put down women. Not so. We come on here to motivate, to empower women, especially men also. But we can't motivate women who aren't willing to be motivated. We can't motivate women that's gonna throw stone behind them when them do something and then pretend like the world is against them. We're not gonna, we can't change women like those. Women like those we cannot empower or motivate. Because when somebody think that they're always right and it's their way and they can't see things from another perspective and they're just hateful human beings, those people are
closed-minded individuals.
Me and a Jesus, you know what I mean? Me and a God, me can't save you.
Can't save you.
People, when me come out with Master Baker, me not even know too much about the so-called cake war. You understand? Me hear about the cake war like me tell you now. And me say, you know what, I'm gonna mess with Auntie Dana and Chris. Because me hear say, that's what the cake war is about. And me watch couple videos and the video confirm it. So me say, you know what? Too much seriousness upon social media. Me, I go jump in and me sit down and think about a name I go give myself. And me go come in as Master Baker. Right? And my rivalry won't be Auntie Dana and Chris. Which they didn't have no problem with it. Because if you follow Master Baker from a long time, you see, some come up with a whole bunch of foolishness what I want to sue them for.
And they go back and forth with Master Baker.
Auntie go back and forth with me and Chris. You understand? Me say, when Auntie Dana come out, when you say me not even want to call Auntie name because there's so much going on social media and you accuse and people, I say you want clout and you want views for call her name. But let me tell you tonight, I'm going to tell you straight up and chocolate now grow on the corner. And I'm not sugarcoat nothing. Let me tell you something. Auntie already look through the camera, although she don't meet me. Auntie look through the camera like enough of you guys will support me. I know exactly who me
we
is.
are.
Yeah, I know who we are. You understand? So no matter the broad brush where people are go out there and use and paint with and brush with and try clump with everybody else, that not gonna work. Because that's a brilliant woman sitting over there. And me always eat when people talk to her and think that she not no sense. She is brilliant, and that a woman with a mind of her own, like I am a woman with a mind of my own. You understand? Nobody can twist me, nobody can turn me, nobody can tell me how to feel about nobody. Me come out here already and tell you now. So me bias with Auntie Dana, una go call me bias, and that's how me is. Me loyal down to a fault. And even if she do something where me not like, me not come on social media can say it. And me not, nobody can make me come on social media and say it. Because when me support somebody, I saw me steer. When me love somebody, I saw me steer. So una go call me bias.
Wholeheartedly,
I go call me bias. Because me not come out here ever throw around that bus. That not go happen. Now, just like with vanilla, me will never throw vanilla on that bus.
And nor will I ever throw chocolate under the bus.
So let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you it good tonight. And put it in on a pipe and smoke it. You hear when me tell you to put it in your pipe and smoke it, me means to light it up like a spliff and smoke it. You see whether that lady call my name or not, that not top me from go for planka shop. You hear me? That not top me from calling if she have a good topic and me love it, which she always do. When me enjoy our program. So whether Auntie call for me name or call this a platform name here, because we know we not come out here for that. That not have nothing to do with how me feel about this lady. So take it to the bank. Deposit that check tonight. You hear? Deposit that. Wall on a breath because uno I go suffocate. Because when me support somebody, me is a ride or die. Understand that. And if any of my friends them, when me and them are friends for over 20 odd years, and them the kind of friendship me have. You hear? Them the kind of friendship me have. Them can call in at this and tell us say chocolate not out here a romp or joke.
Nor vanilla.
You understand? Nor vanilla. You understand? So, whether people want to tell her, no call this a one name, no, it no matter to me. No matter who we support, if them no mention we, that now stop we from watching and supporting them. Because
loving
so
them
we
same way.
Yeah. If you don't use to love, you know we think we fake. You hear me? If you don't used to love, if you don't grow up with people who show no love and affection, you not gonna think we fake. Because if we sit down in the same room with you and we get up and we're gonna get something, we turn on and ask if you don't want something. I saw a roll.
Or if you finish, or if we give you something to eat and we say, can we take that? You don't eat? Can we take that?
That's no pretend. I saw me raise. My sister, when we get with my family, them, we are super affectionate. Me can throw my foot over my sister lap. Me can hug up on my brother. Me can kiss up on my niece and nephew them. I saw my family live.
Can hug up on the bestie.
Me not uncomfortable with that. You hear me? So, when time me support somebody and me come out here and put my character as a person, my reputation on the line, and me stand up for somebody and me say that's me support that somebody and me make sure me be blunt with it. Me say you not go think say me bias because me will never throw her on the bus. Because worse me have our personal information, I don't see why I should come tell her no. If me disagree with nothing or not.
That's what the phone is for.
Yeah. Why me come tell social media that? You understand? Why? When me can text, when me can left a voice note, why must I do that? I'm not doing that. And anybody me support and them turn out to be different, fine. I will not come out here and crucify them. I will just say, you know what? Whatever them are going with right now, me no want to say that. Me no want to be a part of that. You understand me? But I'm not coming out here and say no because this even if two people want me support, me not come out here come pick no sides. Me not do it. Me stay out of it. Me as some role. And nobody now go say me freed for this. No, because people not show loyalty no more. People no real people not out there no more. And that me realize. And when them say real people, them say, oh, there got to be some motive behind it. There got to be something you want in order to be as loyal as the way you are. Well, me, they have to tell you tonight whether that woman top call for me name from tonight until the last day she depend on social media. Me still a watch. Me still a comment. Me still a love her. Me still a cheer for her.
Absolutely.
Me buy me ticket already to go see her. I saw me ride with people. I mean, I change that by myself. I mean, I come out if I come prove no point about no bias business. Me bias when it come to Auntie Dana. Me bias.
Me bias too.
Get it through the thick skull.
Me bias too. Me bias about Auntie Dana and me bias about Chris. Me love the two.
Yes, and Chris.
We love the two of them.
And other people too.
Yeah,
yes.
We love other people too.
Yes. But me not coming out here, come tear down nobody for sure. But say me now pick sides and this and that. Chocolate not in it. Don't come here. Don't you come here for that.
Don't look over here.
Don't look over here for that. So back to my point with the Master Baker. When me see all of that seriousness are going, me say, you know what? I can use a character such as Master Baker and bring some laughter. Me can use what meant for bad out there on social media and turn it into making people laugh. So me start go offer Auntie Dana and Chris. And over them page all the time, sometimes I not even comment. Me just pick up put in my two big eye as Master Baker and watch. I make them know some did there. I watch them. Especially when them are the cakes. You understand? All of a sudden, this woman from out of nowhere want come claim Master Baker. The time before Saturday, before the last Master Baker, me do a Master Baker with Vanilla as a student. Now tell me how this woman, Vanilla being a student, have nothing to do with this rotted woman. Me do a Master Baker with me cooking sausage. How that have anything to do with this woman?
For one
you understand?
lady.
With that for your old lady. How this have anything to do with this woman? So she class with. She class with. And then she move it from our page. She class with the most way. And move it from our page. But it was too late. Somebody already send it to me and me say, you know what? Chocolate now come out to concuss with nobody because me don't tell her that. Me don't tell her say when me have time, when me go retaliate, a Master Baker, I go retaliate. She also skit out Master Baker, and it was all laughter. It was all fun and game, and put in her body and over there, shake it, and I drop it like it cold.
And put him.
You understand? And I make fun of Master Baker. And I say, you know what? Enough is enough. Me, I go show you how it's done. Because I one thing, from me in a church, me I act in a place. You understand? School, me in a place. And me know say if me really want skit, no girl pan you can't bring it like me. Me not ask you. Me I tell you. Yeah. So now me hot up your feelings. Yeah. And you gonna come write long posts and talk about say we're woman and we write this long thing about motivating. Tell the people them. Say you skit way out and you move it from your page. You under no matter how much me block you, you still find a fake page and come over here and stalk with. You understand? And then you go back and put your hand behind you and cry victim.
And act like you're all innocent.
And everybody want to tear you down. You understand? Me not no games. So if you keep on coming at Master Baker, you think Saturday nothing? Saturday is mild to what Master Baker can bring. You understand? Me not come out here come class and go up under nobody. Me I go just make people laugh. Yeah? Me I go make people laugh and turn up my acting. You hear? So sit down there and say we are realtor and make up all kind of shit, boy. We nothing against realtor. Realtor make great money. Yeah? Thank you for put we as realtor, but we aren't realtor. We buy properties, but we never sell none. Yeah? If you want to know about we. Yeah? We buy but we never sell. Yeah. You understand? Last time I sell is a realtor me get for sell for me. Yeah. So sit down over there and try to watch and figure we out. You'll never figure we out. You understand? You can never figure we out. You don't have a soul to figure we out. You understand? You're full of too much hate and bad mind and evilness. So you will never figure we out. Because your energy can never, come in contact with ours.
Your energy can't mesh with ours.
It's not going to mesh for you figure we out. You understand? And always about people, people in a Jamaica, whatever in a Jamaica or whatever in a England. You understand? And people appear with. Chris and Auntie Dana don't have to give us $1. If you know watch and see that by now, you are totally blind.
Delusion.
We come pan you and give you money. Yeah, at the other night we calculate up how much in our credits we give away, and it's over $9,000 because it's close to 2 years. We give away. We monetize and how much time we come pan live.
And beg.
How much time we come pan live? Me not talk about beg. Come pan live because you have to come pan live to make money off of Facebook. You have to come multiple times a day. You understand? Oh no, we don't get a check from monetizing for add up to the money what we give away. And when we get a little fry check them, because we not come on regular, we take it and put it in a cage of credit too. Or help somebody in our background. You know, no way. We just make you no way. Yeah. You know, no way. A Master Baker mile, you need to ask somebody. You hear? Because I'm not going to no back and forth. And no underneath no woman and describe no and discriminate no woman body. Me not do them same thing there. But when you come with facts. Don't sit down and think because your mind, you're delusional. You understand? And come drag way in a whatever you have, whatever passa you want drag way in.
Not everything is about you.
Me come out here with my Master Baker and you take it upon yourself and want it to be about you. So me make Saturday about you. No, me I tell you that. Me make Saturday about you. What you are going to do about it? What you are going to do about it? What you are going to do about it? You can't do nothing about it. All you do is send out such carry it in, guy. Your attorney go show him. So I walk up and down and me don't speak a word and make him do what he need to do with it. Collect all what you want collect on it. We're not afraid over here. I'm glad me hang out with people who are not afraid of dopey. I'm not believing that up here and them sitting there.
Guess what? We have lawyers too.
You understand? So bring your foolishness to me. Leave we out of this.
We're not afraid.
out of whatever. Me hear man over there, I go all up under you and I do all kind of thing. When me slide through YouTube and say, no, you don't respond, but a woman's strength you have. Woman's strength you have. Over comedy. Huh? Oh, you so insecure. Oh, you so insecure about your business. Huh? You know, see, you have a problem. You are the one with a problem. Yeah. My master baker not going nowhere. Me say, as long as me have people, we're going to watch it and laugh and enjoy it. And I can put a smile upon somebody's face with it. It's not going to go anywhere. And you are not Master Baker. You'll never be Master Baker. You understand? Master Baker can be anybody she want to be. May I tell her that? So don't let my skit, don't try to take over my skit for be relevant and for somebody see you. You understand? Stop it. You always want to start something with somebody. And then you delete. And then when somebody come out and say something, you want the people them to look like them delusional. They're quarreling with somebody who do absolutely nothing. That's how you work. You understand? Thank you for the promotion. For have a video sitting over on your page. Thank you for it. We need to look for none from you.
No.
We need to look for no promotion at all. All we want to do is make our audience laugh. Which we think we have accomplished.
Yeah.
You understand? Or if you want to take it upon yourself and sit down and write what you want to write and think we are evil people, then fine on it. Not everybody ever find with it be good. Yeah? And not everybody. We're not going to be everybody cup of tea. You understand? But my master baker is my master baker. And no girl no skit out master baker and get her with it. Because master baker, nobody can skit like her. Me not ask you. Because we think about down to the detail. Yeah. That's how we do everything what we do. Yeah. The finest detail. Yeah. And you can't stop me from supporting who me support. Now gonna happen.
Now gonna happen.
And then not have to pay me. If that's what you used to, for being a loyal person, somebody have to pay you.
Or
somebody
you pay them.
Or somebody have to shout you out. Or somebody have to advertise you. Speak for yourself. With chocolate, me no business about none of that. Me sit down yourself with 10 people and watch me. Me and Vanilla. You hear? 10 people. 10 people. And we don't care about that. As we come out, we start talk. We do the same thing. Big up who we big up. And keep it moving. You hear? We are independent women. Me not even depend on my husband. Much less to come on social media. But depend on total stranger. We are very independent.
Independent woman.
We say we are going to Canada. Canada we are going. We don't depend on nobody. If our husband them want to treat we and want to do it, yes. But we take the first initiative. To do what we want to do. That's how we roll. You hear? So how dare you? You ever see we come and you come pin no cash shop and beg nobody? No offense to people who do. You understand?
None.
Because everybody is in a different, you know what I mean? Different situation. And people can, you know, achieve their money different ways.
And people collect the money for different things.
And different things, but not nobody for it. But that's something we don't do. One time we ever do it enough for the barrel of love.
And we felt so uncomfortable.
And we feel very uncomfortable.
It took everything out of us to ask.
Yes, very uncomfortable. You understand? And people that pan us I watch we and know some chocolate and vanilla sit down here and we not say a word alive because we not sit down and watch we. Why would I come out and call lie when we know we have people who are watching from day one? Yeah? Lie? What's the point in lying? Me can't lie to Uno, but me can't lie to God.
Right.
And him alone me fear. Me fear him with every being and every fiber of my body. Me fear God. I absolutely fear God.
God alone.
Yeah, because I know that him can see my heart. And him can hear my thoughts. You understand me? I may not believe if me manipulate And me do things that aren't true. Me not believe it will be longevity. Me afraid something gonna happen to me. Down the road. It's not gonna last. So me not look on today and see what me can get today. Me not just look on today, me look at the big picture. You understand? Me look ahead. If me sit down here and class somebody about some illness them have, me feel like say, what happened later down in a life? What if that happened to me?
Or a family member.
Or one of my family member. I saw me think.
You never know in life what's going to happen to you.
I saw me think. Me not just look on today and what I can gain today. I look at the longevity of things. Me look so me have nieces. Me look so me have a daughter. Me look so me husband up on the road. Things can happen. Me care about people around me. So me think before. Me make sure. Me not do things with no hidden agenda or no bad intention. Because me fear God so much. I absolutely fear God. Me no come out here and tell nobody say me a Christian, but my faith in a God is seriously strong. Because me no know nothing else until me reach 21, but church and school. And when me reach 21, and then New York me start go clubs. From me know myself in a church, me raise, and my mother instill values in us. Not because we're poor, but she instill values in us. Me have a lot of sisters and a lot of brothers. I'm from a big family, so we know how to share. And we know how to share for each other. Because not all of us are on the same level financially. You understand? So we learn from young to cheer for one another and be happy for one another, even when I don't have anything. As long as my family have it, me feel just as good. I saw my mother raise me. I saw my mother raise me. So if you cheer for your sister out there, that's nothing for me to do. It's nothing. I have to look back for nothing in return. Because that's how I was raised. And my mother always share with stranger. So that's how I was raised. And I love other people, kids. So that's how I was raised. Because if you compare, most people will judge and say, okay, white people adopt black people. No, it's the other way around. My mom took vanilla in.
Yes, she did.
And from me know she been taking stranger kids in. So we know if we love people like say our family. So it's not hard for me to come on and tell us I love somebody by just watching them and their actions and their kindness and say the heart that they have. It's not hard for me to do.
Me either.
I don't have to even think about it. When me see somebody, this is how chocolate is. Me meet you, it's hard for me to hug you. I just saw me stare.
Me too.
And people on here will meet me can tell you. Yes, after me done, me say, oh my God, I hope are they never did feel no way. Me run and hug up our fiance. But I know she didn't. You know, but after me I think about it. So if you're a jealous woman and you bring your man, come meet me.
Sorry. We're going to hug them.
Please, I just saw it steer. We don't want him. I just saw it steer.
We're married.
I just saw it steer.
Yeah.
I just saw it steer. We just surrounded by a lot of love.
Yes. And our husbands aren't jealous either.
And our husband not jealous. And we not jealous with our husband. Me love when people love my husband. You have to have that confidence. Because nobody can make my husband do what him no want to do.
True. Yep.
Yes, and if your husband love and respect you, he's not going to do anything in front of you to disrespect you. And I know a friendly hug versus some seductive hug. You understand? So I'm going to watch them things here. Me Me go party with my husband and my nieces and my sister them and him a dance. I just saw with him. Me a dance with my sister husband. Me a dance with my nephew. I just saw my family still.
Yep.
So, I'm not the woman who's gonna motivate you when you don't know love. When you're not open to love. I cannot motivate you. I cannot inspire you. When your heart is embedded in hatred.
You have to love yourself first. And obviously you don't.
You understand? I can't. I'm not Jesus. I can just come out here and share who I am. Share my experiences to what a woman out there, have them see things from a different perspective. It's up to them to open up and want to try to do something different and new. I can't force it on anybody. So me doing Master Baker doesn't take away from the woman that I am. But you consistently digging and pushing and digging and going and going. We ignore, we let it go, we ignore. And you won't leave us alone. And the last thing, you skit out Master Baker. I'm telling us a Master Baker don't play with people. You understand? She don't play with people. I know you're there, I watch. Everything begins with you. You understand? You and your prison life or whatever. Now have nothing to do with me.
Nor me.
You understand? Me never did lock you up. So me can't free you. You hear? But you live as though you're still in prison. You have that prison mentality. And everybody is after you. And everything is about you.
It's the real world.
Understand? Me never lock you up. So me cannot free you. You hear? I've never been to prison or jail.
Me either.
You understand? So you not gonna pull me in your cell with your sister. You're not gonna do it. You not gonna pull me in your cell with you. I don't look good in an orange jumpsuit.
No,
I don't look
stripes.
good in a stripe out jumpsuit. I don't feel me color them there. So apart from me. Apart from me. Yeah. You either take it or you left it. But when you go for Master Baker and she come for you, don't say me name tell her tonight. Don't say me never tell you tonight, the 4th of the 4th, 2022. You hear? I'm in the office, say your name. Me sure you're ready. Yes. Yes, she left from them. She still inject them. Because she put them name in it, yes.
Yeah, man.
She put them name in it.
it too.
She picked them, yeah. Still, yes, Luciana, yes, still, very sneaking. We blocked like 3 pages for her. 4, and she still find her way over here. Yeah, she class us, make a whole video on us after the last Master Baker when Vanilla played the student. If you come learn to cook from Master Baker. Me don't know how that relevant to her. Yeah? She class with. Then on top of that, she skit out Master Baker. And But let it, me make it go alright. Because me didn't know, so me I could come sure how it's done. Yeah. Guys, we never did get for the page of credit last night. Me not go spend my night pan her. All me know, when I sit down here, all 190 of uno, and witness when me tell her tonight, the 4th of April. So if you now let go off a master baker,
and chocolate,
and you think, sir, that hurt up your feelings, you're not hurt yet. You're not hurt yet. Yeah. She is, yes, Rose, very sick. Very sick. Very sick. Yes. Very, very sick. In her head. She's sick. Yes. And the thing about it, we left our video up. Why you not left yours them up? We not delete video.
We need to delete none.
We don't delete video. You cuss we out and delete it. Because when we come out now, you want us to look like the troublemaker. That's what you do all the time. You want us to look like the troublemaker that will come out and a skip on you for no reason. Because you have deleted it. So people when I view it, come over here now and see us a skit. I say, oh, them a real troublemaker because she over them is nicey and she not do nothing. You see it?
They're on YouTube.
Them on YouTube.
They're on YouTube.
Them on YouTube. Yeah, them on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, she not drain my energy, Kathleen. But sometimes you have to make you have to make people know. You know what I mean? The same way she can use our platform and try to attack us. We have a voice too. We will not let them shut we down to the point where we can't come out and say how we feel.
We will speak our truth.
We'll speak with truth. We're not going to follow it up. You know what I mean? Me not follow it because could I follow it up from she class way? You know? She class, make a whole video on class way. I'll know we not respond to that. She skit way out. And it's a while now. And I just Saturday, me sure how it's done with the skit.
A while.
You understand? Then she posts this whole Shapeel on her page, by the way, with the master vehicle video over there. Feelings hurt up. You're not hurt yet. Leave us alone. You're not hurt yet. Leave us alone.
Collecting evidence.
Yeah. You understand? Collect all the evidence you want to collect. And make up all the career what you want to give to us. You understand? Fine. But may I tell you, leave us alone. Leave us alone. Yeah. Yes, guys. So, guys, tonight is a little different because we have an early morning. I have an early morning.
I have an early morning. Early.
So we have 30 balls in here. And we'll give us 6 sets of credits. I don't know how it works already. You just call and give us the number to your ball. Roll it, come out, you win, and that's it. So, we're going to open up the phone line on another drill. Yeah?
The number is pinned.
The number pinned in the comment. Yeah?
Again, numbers 1 through 30.
1 through 30. Alright? We want it to be fast tonight. When we do it 10, depends on how fast it go. We might add some more, but I want to be fast tonight. Yeah. What is? Oh, sorry, Queen, that Facebook blocked you. Not sure. Okay, let me see the picture. Oh. All right, let's go. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
You have a number for us?
My number is 24. Good night.
Good night. Let's do it. 24.
22.
22, that's really close. Yeah, you're close. You're close, man. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Hello, good night. You have a lucky number for us.
Number 12.
Number 12. All right. 12. Let's go.
26.
26. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Give me that lucky number, please.
15.
15. All right. Rolling for 15. Let's go.
Number 8.
Number 8, love. Number 8. Hello, good night. Guys, you're calling the wrong number. You're calling on the... Yeah, let me have that number, please.
16.
16. We're rolling for 16. Let's go.
27.
27. Hello.
Good night.
Good night. Let me have that lucky number.
Number 1.
Number 1. Let's go.
10.
Number 10 on. We have that lucky number, please. Hi, Donna. How you doing?
I'm good. Number 20.
Number 20. Let's go. Number 20. Number 18. Guys, you're calling on the phone that we're live on. Call the number, pin in the comment. Hello, good night.
Number 16.
Number 16. Let's go. Number 16.
Number 5.
Number 5. Hello, let me have that lucky number. It's calling me on video. Hello.
Good night.
Good night. What's the lucky number?
Number 10.
Number 10.
10 is gone.
10 is gone, honey. 10 gone. Hello. Let me have that lucky number.
21.
21. All right, we're spinning for 21.
14.
14 on 14. Hello, good night.
Hi, good night.
Let me have that lucky number, please.
Number 16.
Number 16. Let's go. Number 16. Let's roll for 16.
12.
Number 12 on number 12. Hello. Let me have that lucky number, please. What's the lucky number?
Number 4.
Number 4. All right, we're spinning for 4. Let's go.
Number 4.
Number 4. First winner. Who's this? Danette. All right, Danette. Danette, go ahead and text us your name and your phone service. All right?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome very much. Come on, let's go. Come on with the call.
5 more.
Hello. Good night.
Hello, good night.
Let me have that lucky number, please.
Number 6.
Number 6. All right, let's go.
Number 23.
23. 23. All right, let's go. Come on. Hello, good night. Let me have that lucky number.
Yes, my lucky number is still 24.
24. All right, we're spinning for 24.
24.
24. Who's this?
Julie!
Gillette. Congratulations.
Thank you, Queen.
All right, Gillette, you know what to do.
Yes, I do.
All right, honey. Hello, good night. Let me have that lucky number.
Good night, 40.
40. 40 is not
40
a part
not
of
a
it
part of
tonight.
it.
It's
1
from
through
1
30.
through 30. Okay, it's 1 through 30. 1 through 30 tonight, guys. Hello, let me have that lucky number.
30.
30. All right, spinning for 30. Let's do it.
19.
19 on 19. Hello, let me have that lucky number.
24.
24.
24 is gone.
24 is gone, on. It's gone. Hello, let me have that lucky number.
20 chocolate, number 20.
Number 20. All right, spinning for 20. Let's go.
Number 30.
Number 30. Number 30 on number 30. Hello, let me have that lucky number.
Hello, good night.
Good
Number
night.
30.
Say that for me again, on.
30.
30.
30 just
30
played.
just played like a minute ago. Oh, she was a second.
One caller.
One call ahead. Hello, let me have that lucky number.
Number 1.
Number 1. All right. Let's go.
Number 6.
Number 6 on number 6. Let me have that lucky number.
20 chocolate.
20. Still going for 20.
28.
28 on 28. Don't you give up. Come on. Let me have that lucky number.
Still going for number 16.
16. All right. We're spinning for 16.
Number 3.
Number 3. Let me have that lucky number, please.
Number 13.
Number 13. All right. We're spinning for 13. Let's go.
Number 21.
21 on 21. Me have that lucky number, please.
21.
21.
Just play.
Just play. One caller ahead of you. Oh, wow. Hello, let me have that lucky number.
Number 10.
Number 10.
10's gone.
10 is gone. Gone with the win. Hello, let me have that lucky number, please.
Number 1.
Number 1. All right. Spinning for number 1.
Number 25.
25 on 25. Let's go. Give me that lucky number.
20 chocolate.
20. All right. Still 20. Let's go.
Number 16.
16. It's almost just white balls. Come on, guys. Let me have that lucky number, please. Hello? 16.
16, just
16,
play.
just play on. Just play. Come on. Me have that lucky number, please.
Hello, good night.
Good.
Number 16.
Number
16,
16,
just
just
play.
play. Oh, maybe we're going to have to give them an update. Hello, let me get the lucky number.
Number 9.
Number 9. All right, let's go. Number 9. Let's do it. Number 9. Come on.
Number 7.
Number 7. Number 7. Hello? Why is this? That's not connecting. I got to move on. Hello, let me have the lucky number.
Number 1.
Number 1. All right, let's go. Come on, lucky
17.
17 people. Let's go. It's getting low. Hello? Hello? Good night.
13.
Number 13. All right. Spinning for 13. Let's go. Come on.
29.
29. Come on. It's almost just white balls. Hello?
Number 29.
29, just play.
29. Just play. Hello? Me have the lucky number.
Good night.
Good night. Let me have that lucky number, please.
Number 5.
Number 5.
5's gone.
5 is gone. We're going to have to give an update. We're going to have to give an update. Can somebody be so kind to type these in for us? What's left in the cage? We're going to give you what's left inside the cage right now. Okay?
Hold on, let me put it in.
Oh, you're going to put it in. All right. What left inside the cage is number 1.
Hold on. Yep.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 9. Number 11. Number 13. Number 15. 20. That's it. I'm like, wait, yeah. 1, 2, 9, 11, 13, 15, and 20. All right, let's go. Let's go. Hello. Give me the lucky number.
Hello? Number 7.
Number 7. Number 7 is already played. Number 7 already played. We list the number that's inside the cage.
Look at the comments.
Look at the comments. Give me that lucky number.
8.
Number 8. Number 8 is already played. We pin the numbers that's inside the cage in the comment. Go look at them. Hello, give me that lucky number.
Number 20.
Number 20. All right. Let's go. That's the only ball.
Number 20.
Yes, number 20. Person we just called. Number 20. All right. Got her. Hello.
Good night, Queen.
Good night. Number 13. All right. We're spinning for 13. Let's go. It's all white balls.
15.
15. 15. All white balls left inside the cage. Let's get the number. Let's get the ball.
Number 15.
15.
15 just played.
15 just played. 15 just played. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let me have that lucky number.
Number 2.
Number 2. All right. Spinning for number 2. Let's go.
Number 1.
Number 1. Hello, let me have that lucky number.
Good night, number 9.
Number 9. 4 balls are in the cage. We're spinning for number 9.
Number 2.
Number 2, put it back in the cage. Oh, you have enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello? Come on. Give me that lucky number.
Number 9.
Number 9. All right. Spinning for number 9.
Number 11 and it's going back in.
Number 11 back in the cage. There are only 3 balls in
9,
the cage.
11, and 13.
9, 11, 13. Give me one of those lucky numbers.
Number 11.
Number 11. Number 11, Mango.
Number 13 and it's going back in.
13 back in the cage. Give me that lucky number. There are only 3 balls in the cage.
Good night,
Number
number 1.
1
Number
already
one's gone.
played. Number 1's gone. 3 balls left in the cage. Come on, lucky people. Give me that lucky number.
Number 11.
Number 11. All right, spinning for number 11. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Number 13 and it's going back in.
Number 13 back in the cage. Let me have that lucky number.
Good night, number 13.
Number 13. All right, lucky number 13. Come on. Be the lucky one. Be the lucky one. Come on. Let's
I
go.
don't want to catch nothing.
Come on. Let's go.
Number 11.
Number
Going back
11.
in.
Number 11, Mango back in the cage. Me don't know what me talk about in a
Mango?
Me know it's our Mango name, Lumbella.
Oh.
Number 1
Number
already
one's
played.
done.
3 balls are left in the cage. Come on, y'all can do it. Give me that lucky ball. Yes, let me have that lucky ball. Number 11, all right. Number 11, Mango. Let's go.
Number 13 is going back in.
13 back in the cage. Come on, lucky people. Give me that lucky ball. 3 balls are in the cage. Hello?
Number 13.
Number 13. We're spinning for 13. Let's go.
Number 9 is going back in.
9 back in the cage. Hello? Let's go. Give me that. Good night. Give me that lucky number. 3 balls are in the cage.
Number 11.
Number 11. Them love 11. Come on. Number 11. Come on.
Number 13 is going back in.
Number 13 back in the cage. Come on. Give me that lucky number, please.
Hello, good night.
There are 3 balls in the cage. Give me the lucky number.
Number 2.
Number 2
Two's
already
gone.
played.
9,
Number
11,
2.
and 13.
All right. 2 already played. Give me that lucky number, please.
Number 13.
Number 13. All right. We're spinning for 13. Come on.
Number 9 is going back in.
9 back in. Jeez. Oh, no. Oh, come on, man. What happened? Hello, give me that number, lucky number. Give me that lucky number, please. Hello, good night. Can I get the lucky number? Hello? I'm not hearing you. Gotta move on. Sorry. Gotta keep it moving. Hello, can I get that lucky number?
Number 9.
Number 9. All right, spinning for number 9. Let's do it.
13 is going back in.
13 back in. All of the kids so they can see say yeah, spin it.
Sweet 13.
Yeah. Hello, give me that lucky number.
Number 11.
Number 11. Let's go. Come on. Let's. Oops. What is it?
Number 11.
Number 11. Oh, number 11 was this.
Tashi.
All right, Tashi. Go ahead and text us, Tashi. Name and phone service. Let's go. 2 balls are left in the how many credits left?
What we say we're going to do?
6.
Oh, I'll have to
There's-
put one back after.
Okay.
We'll put, when we get, after this one, I'll put one more back in.
All right.
It's calculated.
No, put the 3 balls in there.
All right, I'll put 11 back in
We're
there.
going to put 11 back in there. Let's go.
2 credits.
2 credits. Let's go.
9, 11, and 13.
Give me that lucky number.
Number 11.
Number 11. All right, we're spinning for 11. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, roll down.
Stop. 13.
13. Back in the cage. Let's go. Give me that lucky number.
Number 9.
Number 9. All right, good night. Number 9. Let's go.
Number 11, and it's going back in.
11 back in the cage. Hello, can I get the lucky number?
Number 9.
Number 9, all right. Come on, number 9. Let's do it, number 9.
13, and it's going back in.
13 back in the cage. Come on, give me that lucky number.
Yes, number 9.
Number 9, all right. Let's spin for number 9. Let's go.
Number 11, and it's going back in.
11 back in the cage. Let's go. Can I get the lucky number?
Lucky number 13.
13, all right. Come on, you're confident. Come on, number 13.
Number 11, and it's going back in.
11 back in. Let's go. Let me have that lucky number, please.
Good night. Number 13.
Number 13, let's do it.
Number 13.
Number 13, who's this? I know, see? That's what happens when you keep trying. What's your name?
Shanique.
Shanique, all right, Shanique, go ahead and text us. Text this number, your name and phone service, all right?
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. Hang on before me say you're welcome. You're welcome if you come back. Hello, give me that lucky number. 2 balls are in the cage. 50-50 chance. You have number 9 and 11.
Oh, number 11.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Number 11.
Number 11, you lucky man. Who's this?
Pat.
Pat. You're lucky Pat. You're lucky Pat. Lucky Pat we're going to put. All right, Pat. Go ahead and text us your name and your phone service. You hear? To this number.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Let's drop another ball in there.
All right, I'm going to put 11 back in.
We'll put him back 11. Let's go.
9
Hello.
and 11.
Hello, give me that lucky number. It's a 50-50 chance when you're calling from now on. So, we have 2 balls in the cage. Number what?
9 and 11.
9.
9. All right. Number 9. Let's go. 50-50 chance.
Number 11.
Number 11.
Going back in.
Going back in. 50-50 chance. So, not come with and lock yourself. 50-50 chance.
Number 11.
Number 11. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Number 11.
Number 11. All right. Who's this? Donna, a biscuit. Go ahead and text us, all right? And your phone service. Let's go. 50-50 chance. 2 balls are in the cage. What is your number? Hello? Hello? Oh, you got cut off. 50-50 chance.
Hello.
Hello, give me that lucky number. It's a 50-50 chance.
I just missed him. Which number is number again?
Number 9 and 11. Pick a choice.
Number 11.
Number 11. I don't love 11, sir. Because I'm going to name number 11.
Number 9.
Number 9, see? Hello. 50-50 chance.
Number 9.
Number 9, all right. Come on, let's go.
Number 9.
Number 9, who's this? Tiana. Go ahead and text us, Tiana. Your name and phone service, all right? Let's keep the 50-50 chance rolling. Come on, 50-50 chance. 50-50 chance. Give me a... Number 11, all right. Them love number 11, you say? Come on. Let's go.
Number 9.
Number 9, back in. You mash up a 50-50 chance. Come, 50-50 chance. Give me the winning ball. See? Number 11, let's go.
Number 9.
Number 9, back in. Hello, 50-50 chance.
Good night, Queen.
Good.
Queen 9.
9, you want 9, all right. Let's go, number 9. Let's go.
Number 9.
Number 9, who is this? Say your name for me again, darling.
Glacier.
Glacier.
In the comments.
Oh, Glacier. Make sure you text us your name and the phone service and let us know if you want us to send the credits to this number, all right?
Okay, Queen. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Welcome.
50-50 chance.
Last one.
Last one. You're the last for the 50-50 chance. Will you be the last? Come on, good night. We have number 9 and number 11. Pick your choice. The two of them nice. 9, all right. Let's go. 9. Let's see if you're lucky tonight.
Number 9.
Number 9. Yes. Number 9. Charmaine. All right, Charmaine. Go ahead and text us. Charmaine. Will you text us your name and your phone service? All right, thank you, darling.
She said Charmaine.
Yeah, Charmaine. Bye-bye. All right. I look at cuteness I call me. I couldn't ignore it. I wonder if it's she. Hello?
Hello?
The game over.
The game over?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
All right, who this?
Sharon.
Sharon? Oh, Sharon.
Yeah.
Sharon. Who that look a cute baby up on the phone?
Granddaughter.
She cutie. Sharon, I'm gonna send you some credits. You hear?
Alright.
Sharon, go ahead and text me your name and your phone service, all right?
Alright, yeah.
All right, we close with Sharon tonight. All right, thank you guys so much for joining us for another Cage of Credit. We'll come back Sunday with the original thing, yeah? With the praise and worship and the Cage of Credit. We'll come back Sunday with the original thing. Yeah, me know, say some thanks, congratulations to all of the winners.
Congratulations to all the winners.
You give up, Marshall Lee, you can't give up. Marshall Lee, don't you give up.
If it's not today,
Yes, try
Next
that.
time.
Don't you give up, Marshall Lee. Marshall Lee. Now give up, Marshall. Don't you ever give up. You understand? Call us again. Next week, Sunday. Call us again Sunday night. All right? Thank you guys so much for chilling with us, for rocking
Thank you,
with
guys.
us, for playing Cage of Credits with us. All the winners, congratulations. If you
Congratulations
didn't
to
win,
all of you.
don't give up. Continue to call. It's just one line, so I know it's hard to get through. So
it's the luck of the draw.
it's just the luck. Yes. So just continue to call. Big up on yourself. I love you guys, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. We'll be back on Wednesday night. Bless up on yourself. You hear?
Bless up yourself. Enjoy
Bless
your
upon
week.
yourself.
Take care.
And be safe.
Yep.
Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Chocolate and vanilla out.
Out.
All right.
Bye-bye.